morning. Today we will read vocab start from letter R. 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 Sound of R is R. R. Rat. R. Rabbit. R. Ring. R. Rose. R. Rug. R. Ram. R. Raincoat. R. Rocket. R. Red. R. Remote. Now we will draw some easy things which are starts from letter R. So firstly we will learn to draw R rabbit. Okay. So for rabbit we have to write down firstly letter R. You already learned to write letter R now. So firstly we have to draw two ears. How many ears do we have? Two. And rabbit have also two ears. Now turn off feet. We will make feet of rabbit. Now round eyes and a nose, then two teeth. Here is our rabbit. Our rabbit. Now make a cloud, then some raindrops. What is this? Our raindrops and our rain. Our rain. And what will we wear in the rain? Raincoat. And here is a rainbow. We can make rainbow easily with some semicircles. And here, how many colors are in the rainbow? 7. So we have to make 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. It's very easy to make a rainbow. So you can also try these pictures at your home and have a nice day.